I almost forgot. He almost got it all the way closed. This is the door. This is the door upstairs. This is the one we're making the bedroom. This was the kitchen. Remember I kept talking about the door that was gonna be gone? There you go. And there's the bathroom. Let me show you the outside. That's the outside view of it. See? Close that door up. Window. While we out here. See? Shingles. So I leave those roof stands until he finishes the siding up there. So that's why those are still there. And all the garbage and stuff down here is being disappeared. Yeah, so I can show you this side. See, he's finished with that. Top of it and everything. Over there. He's finished with that too. Let's look at it from the front. Finish those caps up there. And this one. We're on a roll. Oh, while I'm at it, let me show you the bathroom. This is the kitchen area. He took the board down so that he can get to the plumbing on the other side. And this is the bathroom. Got a toilet in here, but the sink is still not hooked up. We need another pipe to make that little one work. He tore out all this stuff out the ceiling, trying to get that toilet upstairs to work. So all of this, let me show you where all of that is. Over here was all over the floor in that box. Some more pieces right there. You can check out in the back room underneath the tub. All of this is already tore out. But let's see. You have to cut all these pipes out and replace them with new ones. So it's been a minute, I know. But we're moving along. Let's have dinner. Chicken. I'm boiling it. Cabbage. Macaroni and cheese. Spaghetti. And jam. Our entertainment center. I'll talk to y'all later. I knew you on yesterday. How y'all find out about